Happy morning children. Today we are going to study Mathematics Class 5 Chapter 4. Name of the chapter is Highest Common Factor and Least Common Multiple. Highest Common Factor and Least Common Multiple. In other words, we can say HCF and LCM. Before going to the chapter, we have to revise what is the difference between multiples and factors. Let us see. First one, multiples. What do you mean by multiples? The products obtained by multiplying a number by 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called multiples of that number. The products obtained by multiplying a number by 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called multiples of that number. Consider the multiplication table of 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, etc. So, multiples of 2 means these numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. That means the products obtained, these are the products. The products obtained by multiplying a number. The number is 2. A number by 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. These are the products and these products are known as multiples of that number. Example, multiples of 2. Which are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. Multiples of a number is infinite. That means uncountable. It is going. Then, multiples of 5. Which are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, etc. are the multiples of 5. The products obtained by multiplying a number by 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are known as multiples of that number. Next one, factors. Factors. What do you mean by factors? Numbers which divide a given number without any remainder are called factors of that number. Numbers which divide a given number without any remainder, that means remainder will be 0, are called factors of that number. Consider 6 into 4 equal to 24. Consider a multiplication fact. 6 into 4 equal to 24. 6 4s are 24. Here 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4 and 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. If 6 into 4 is equal to 24, then 24 divided by 6 will be 4 and 24 divided by 4 will be 6. Here 6 divides 24 exactly without any remainder. Also 4 divides 24 exactly without any remainder. Hence we can say 6 and 4 are the factors of 24. Hence we can say 6 and 4 are the factors of 24. Which are the other factors of 24? Consider the question. Write all factors of 24. We know that 1 into 24 is 24, 2 into 12 is 24, 3 into 8 is 24, 4 into 6 is 24, 6 into 4 is 24, 8 into 3 is 24, 12 into 2 is 24 and 24 into 1 is also 24. Is there any other pair of numbers which give product as 24? No. So, factors of 24 are 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4, 6. Here onwards repeating. Here 4 into 6, here 6 into 4. Same numbers. Here 3 into 8, here 8 into 3. Here 2 into 12, here 12 into 2. Here 24 into 1, 1 into 24. 1 into 24 and 24 into 1 are same only. So, which are the factors? Factors of 24 are 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4 and 6. These are the factors of 24. Consider the second example. Write all factors of 7. We know that 1 into 7 is 7. 1 sevens are 7. 7 ones are 7. Is there any other pair of numbers which give 7 as product? No. So, factors of 7 are 1 and 7 only. There is only 2 factors for the number 7, 1 and 7. Also, factors of a given number is finite. That means countable. There is only a fixed number of factors. And also, 1 is a factor of every natural number. 1 is a factor of every natural number. Next one, common factors and common multiples. Common factors and common multiples. Consider the first question. Find common factors of 15 and 25. Find common factors of 15 and 25. First we have to list the factors of 15 and 25. Which are the factors of 15? 1, 15 is 15. So, 1 is a factor, 15 is a factor. Then 3 5s are 15. So, 3 is a factor, 5 is a factor. Is there any other factor? No. So, factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Then, which are the factors of 25? We know that 1 into 25 is 25. So, 1 is a factor, 25 is a factor. Also, 5 5s are 25. So, 5 is also a factor. Factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Then we have to find common factors. That means common in both these two cases. Which are the common factors? 1 is here, 1 is here. So, 1 is a common factor. Then, next number 5. 5 is here, 5 is here. So, 5 is also a common factor. 1 and 5 are the common factors of 15 and 25. And which is the highest common factor? That is 5. 5 is greater than 1. So, the highest common factor or HCF is 5. Consider the second question. Find common multiples of 5 and 10. You have to find common multiples of 5 and 10. First we have to list multiples of 5 and 10. Which are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, etc. are the multiples of 5. Then what about multiples of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, etc. are the multiples of 10. Which are the common multiples? That means common in both two cases. 10. 10 is here, 10 is here. So, 10 is a common multiple. Then, which is the next number? 20. 20 is here, 20 is here. So, 20 also common. Then, next one 30. 30 is here, 30 is here. 30 also common. So, common multiples are 10, 20, 30, etc. Then, which is the least common multiple? The smallest one is 10. So, the least common multiple or LCM is 10. So, in this chapter, we are going to study about highest common factor and least common multiple. First one, highest common factor, HCF. It is also known as greatest common divisor or GCD, greatest common divisor. There are different methods to find HCF. One method is HCF by listing factors. HCF by listing factors that we already studied. First we have to list the factors of given numbers, then find common factors, then find the highest common factor. Consider an example. Find HCF of 12, 15 and 18. We have to find HCF of these three numbers by listing factors. First we have to list the factors of 12. Which are the factors of 12? 1, 12s are 12. So 1 is a factor, 12 is a factor. Then 2 into 6, 2 6 are also 12. So 2 is a factor, 6 is a factor. Then 4 3s are 12. 4 is a factor, 3 is a factor. Is there any other pair of numbers which give product as 12? No. So 1, 12, 2, 6, 4 and 3 are the factors of 12. Then which are the factors of 15? 1 into 15 is 15. So 1 is a factor, 15 is a factor. Also 3 5s are 15. So 3 is a factor, 5 is a factor. 1, 15, 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. Next number 18. Which are the factors of 18? 1 into 18 is 18. So 1 is a factor, 18 is a factor. Then 2 9s are 18. 2 is a factor, 9 is a factor, 3 6 are 18. So 3 is a factor, 6 is a factor. Is there any other factors? No. 1, 18, 2, 9, 3 and 6 are the factors of 18. So we list the factors. Now we have to find common factors. That means common in these three cases. 1 is here, 1 is here, 1 is here. So 1 is a common factor. Then which is the next common factor? Yes, it is 3. 3 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here. So 3 is also a common factor. Is there any other common factor? No. So common factors of 12, 15 and 18 are 1 and 3 only. Then which is the highest one? Highest common factor or HCF is 3. 3 is greater than 1. So HCF of 12, 15 and 18 is 3. Consider the second question. Find HCF of 4 and 5. Find HCF of 4 and 5. Factors of 4. Which are the factors of 4? 1 4s are 4. So 1 is a factor, 4 is a factor. 2 2s are 4. So 2 is a factor. So 1, 2 and 4 are the factors of 4. Then which are the factors of 5? 1 is a factor, 5 is a factor. Then which are the common factors? Common factors. 1 is common here, 1 is common here. So only one common factor, the number 1. Then what is the HCF then? HCF is also equal to 1. HCF is also 1. Note co-prime numbers. Two numbers having only 1 as their common factor are known as co-prime numbers. What do you mean by co-prime numbers? Two numbers having only 1 as their common factor. Example, 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. Here 1 is only common. So common factor is 1. That means if two numbers have only 1 as their common factor, that type of numbers are known as co-prime numbers. 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. Now we are going to study another method to find HCF or GCD. That is HCF or GCD by prime factorization. HCF by prime factorization. What is prime factorization? Prime factorization means writing a number as the product of prime factors. Last chapter we already studied. Consider the first question. Find HCF of 24, 42 and 36. We have to find HCF of 24, 42 and 36 by prime factorization. First we have to write the number 24. Then which are the steps in prime factorization? Start dividing with the least prime number. Which is the smallest prime number? 2. If it is possible, divide it. Otherwise, take the next prime number. Continue this process until you get a prime number at last. Then write the given number as the product of prime factors. 24. We know that 24 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 24 divided by 2. What is 24 divided by 2? It is 12. 12. 12 is also divisible by 2. 12 is also an even number. It is also divisible by 2. Then 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 2s are 12. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 is also an even number. It is also divisible by 2. 6 divided by 2. What is 6 divided by 2? It is 3. 3 2s are 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then we got a prime number here. So we can stop the process and we can write 24 as the product of prime factors. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is the prime factorization of the number 24. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now consider the second number 42. We have to find prime factorization of 42. Start dividing with the least prime number 2. 42 is an even number divisible by 2. 42 divided by 2 is 21. 21. Then, is it possible to divide 21 by 2? No. 21 is an odd number. It is not possible to divide by 2. So, take the next prime number 3. Is it possible to divide by 3? Check the sum of digits. 2 plus 1 is 3. So, according to the divisibility test of 3, it is divisible by 3. 21 by 3. What is 21 divided by 3? It is 7. 7 3s are 21. So, 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 is a prime number. So, we can stop the process and we can write 42 as 42 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. 2 into 3 into 7. Then take the next number 36. 36. Prime factorization of 36. 36 by 2. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 18. 18 also an even number divisible by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9. Then 9 is not divisible by 2. Take the next prime number 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. Then we got a prime number here. We can stop the process and write 36 as the product of prime factors. 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So, we write the given numbers as the product of prime factors. Now, we have to find common factors. Which are the common factors? 2 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here. So, 2 is a common factor. Then, one more 2 is here, but here is no other 2. Only one time 2 is common. Then, another number 3. 3 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here. So, 3 is also a common factor. Then, any other number? 7 is here, but it is only one time. So, no other common factors. Common factors are 2 and 3. Then, HCF. HCF is equal to product of common factors. Product of common factors. That means 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. So HCF of 24, 42 and 36 is 6. Second question, find HCF of 72 and 48. We have to find HCF of 72 and 48 by prime factorization. First we have to prime factorize the number 72. 72 is an even number divisible by 2. 72 divided by 2. What is 72 divided by 2? 36. You know division. You have to divide yourself and find the answer. 36. 72 divided by 2 is 36. Then 36 also divisible by 2. Then 36 by 2 is 18. Then 18 also divisible by 2. 18 by 2 is 9. 9 is not divisible by 2. So take the next prime number 3. 9 by 3 is 3. We got a prime number here. Stop the process. Write 72 as the product of prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is the prime factorization of 72. Now consider the second number 48. 48. Start dividing with the least prime number 2. 48 by 2 is 24. 24. 24 is also divisible by 2. 24 by 2 is 12. Then what is 12 by 2? 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6. 6 is also divisible by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. We got a prime number here. Stop the process. Write 48 as the product of prime factors. 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 is multiplied 4 times and 3 is also there. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this is the prime factorization of 48. Now we have to find common factors. Common factors. Which are the common factors? 2 is here, 2 is here. So 2 is a common factor. Then another 2 is here, here also 2. So again 2, then 2 is here, 2 is here. So 2, then now 3. 3 is here, 3 is here. So 3. Any other common factor? No. So common factors are 2, 2, 2, 3. Then HCF is equal to product of common factors. We have to multiply the common factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. So HCF is 24. HCF of 72 and 48 is 24.